Hi everyone. So I just had my IIM Code interview and I will quickly walk you through my interview experience. So as soon as we entered, document verification happened and side by side मतलब same hotel में IIM Ahmedabad and IIM Code दोनों के interviews चल रहे थे बगल बगल. So yes, so after the document verification, my VAT topic was Russia and Ukraine war. Is this just a regional conflict or is it the rise of the World War III? So this was our VAT topic and we were given time to write it. I think I don't even remember how much was the time given. It was मतलब decent time था, enough for you to write, think, write everything. So yes, so yeah, after that इंटरव्यू हुई थी एंड सबकी इंटरव्यू लाइक 10 मिनट्स ही चल रही थी. आफ्टरनून स्लॉट था मेरा बैंगलोर में. I think the professors were tired or it was getting boring, I don't know, but everybody had their interviews for like 10 minutes. And so yes, so in my panel there were two male panelists and it started with introduce yourself. And so in my introduction I spoke something around fashion, so that is why they asked me about, we discussed about Zara and H&M, and for some reason I could also figure out that in this particular interview they were asking a lot about achievements and hobbies. So my next question was, what are your achievements and hobbies, which I spoke about. And then since I mentioned about my hobbies, they were asking me the name of badminton players. After that, they asked me what are perfect complementary products, and we had a discussion on perfect complementary products. It got a little funny also because whatever example I was giving, the professors were coming back onto it that, oh, but I can do this, I can change the product like this, then they won't be perfect complementary products, and so on and so forth. It was happening. It was a little funny. After that, the professor asked me, do you read? So I said I read newspaper, and they were like, then they were talking among themselves that okay, these days kids are not reading, etc. And after that, they asked me, do you know about any recent news? So I told them about the gold card citizenship that recently came. So the professor asked me that should India also introduce a gold card. So I gave the answer that I gave my opinion over there. And after that, the professor asked me any other news, and I told about the largest gathering on earth, that was Mahakumbh, and how it concluded, etc. So after that, he asked me what is the government gonna do with the revenue generated, and I answered. After that, he asked me what is marginal rate of substitution. And yes, so after that he asked me, do you think the youth is not reading and wasting time on reels? Is it a good thing according to you? So I mean, I think this was an obvious answer, so I had to like agree with them, etc. And that was it. And after that, the professors asked me, what other calls do you have? So I mentioned about the other calls I had, and also like हम जो documents carry कर रहे थे, they were not at all checking it. In fact, whoever used to take their documents inside the interview room, they used to ask कि अपना document side रख दो. I think they wanted to have like a conversation, an honest conversation, and try to know more about you. It was like, that was it. So I think overall it lasted for 10 to 15 minutes. It was a good interview experience and the professors seemed really friendly. So I think that was it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll be sharing more of my interview transcript. Thank you.